Namaste. Let's start reviewing today's calls. So first call was by Tata Chemicals at 865 rupees. So let me go to Tata Chemicals 8. So it gapped up. Unfortunately, our analysis was perfect. So hence I am going to write the result as gapped up. Second stock was India Cements and buying level was 187 rupees. Let me go to the daily chart. Where is India Cements? 187. Okay, the breakout did happen. 187 is the buying level. Let me see. So somewhere here 187, 192. So easily all the targets were hit. So all the targets hit in India Cements. Third stock was, let me scroll to the left hand side, Finolex Cables and buying level was 532 rupees. So let me go to Finolex. No, nothing happened here. Price did not break above the breakout level. Hence I am going to write did not hit entry level. Fourth and final stock was Godrej Consumer and buying level was 1140 rupees. Let me check out the daily chart here. Again the breakout did not happen. So I am going to copy the same result. Did not hit entry level. So this is the summary. Now I am going to analyze 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. Talking about the first stock for tomorrow's session, I have selected Tata Motors, and on the daily chart we can draw a channel pattern up to the current market price. Now I am going to draw a support level. One more breakout level I am going to draw, which will be a horizontal breakout level. As you can see, the breakout level of channel pattern and a horizontal breakout line is coinciding with each other at the price of 316 rupees, and that is the breakout level we are going to trade. As we can see, price is making slow and steady progression towards the breakout level, and this is surely going to help buyers to come in at the breakout level and start buying even after a significant jump in the stock price above the breakout level. If everything goes as per plan, we can certainly expect a decent profit. Let me draw a support line. Let me draw a target line. I can draw a target line by connecting highs and lows across the chart at the level of 330 rupees, and this looks like a very profitable trade. Second stock that I am going to analyze is Suven Pharma. The breakout level is coming at 543. This particular level was previously a resistance level as well. Here you can see the momentum above the resistance level. After that, at this particular juncture, it became a support level. And as you can see, this was the first attempt made to break the level of 543, and now price is slowly rising above the level of 540 and it is looking perfectly poised for a breakout. If breakout does materialize, we can easily see a decent enough target. Let me try to connect highs and lows of multiple candles spread across daily, hourly chart. So let me do that. I can connect this one. Yeah, I can connect this one. I am able to connect two highs of candles here. So target is coming at 551. There is not a lot of scope for a high risk to reward ratio, but in terms of day trading, this is a decent enough profit and we should go for it. It's time to analyze JSW Steel. On the daily chart, this is a double top pattern. After the formation of double top pattern, price has reduced a lot and it came to a level of 664 rupees. Right here is the low of the current down rally. So this is clearly a downtrend. At the same time, we can also draw a channel pattern right here. This is a resistance line. Now I am going to draw a support line. So what is happening here is that price has fallen after double top pattern and then it has tried to break above by forming a channel pattern. But looking at the formation of channel pattern right here, this was a last time price tested the resistance level. After that, we can see there is bit of selling coming and the current candle, the low of the current candle is almost at the support level. So if price goes below the level of 685 or so, we can certainly expect target at the beginning of the channel pattern and it is coming at the level of 670 rupees. So it's a fair enough target. Now we are going to look at the last stock for tomorrow's session. On hourly chart, this is a perfect breakout level. First time price came at the breakout level of 500 rupees. It was pegged back by sellers and it went as low as 465 rupees. After that, price started recovering. Here is the recovery and slowly started making inroads. So here is the second time the breakout level got tested, and the most important thing here is the previous low is around 480. After the retracement from testing the breakout level, the low is elevated to 487 or so, which means that again buyers are buying at higher levels whereas sellers are failing to take the price lower, which means that buyers have upper hand and sellers are going to frizzle away from the stock. If that does happen, then buyers will have a free ride and they can capitalize on that, and if they come in decent enough quantity, we can certainly see a target of around 510 to 512 rupees. These are the levels which I have chalked out in aforementioned stock. I am going to share a screenshot of the stocks in my Telegram channel. As I always say, all of us have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss amount if we want to maintain longevity. Otherwise, we will be dragged out from the market and we won't ever able to come back. So that's it in this video. All of you take care of yourself. We will meet in the next video.